Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. stocks, futures, and forex market preview for the rest of the week, Thursday the 19th and Friday the 20th of November 2020. Remember, this is options expiration week. I guess you could say maybe we got an options unraveling move today late in the day, but that's not usually how that works. So it's unknown if that's really what that was, or if it was just the general feeling from the market on some news. But we may still have options unraveling out there if there is any of that to be done. Obviously, Friday probably going to be a dead day with options expiration itself. It's been a dead week. We'll look at everything here in a few minutes. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Dipped a little. Let's go through the cash indices, and then we'll look at everything else. Crude oil down a few cents today, 41.56. Gold down $8.60. Not much new there. The S&P lost 41.74. It was pretty flat until late, as I said. You'll see that in a moment on the intraday. By the way, we didn't talk about Forex tonight just because nothing's happening. The dollar index is dead flat. Forex has not really moved, so there's nothing new to say there. NASDAQ down 82 points. Looks like a blip. The SOX was down 18. Biotech's down 85. The Russell 2000 down 22.5. That's after making new highs forever. VIX up 1.13 to 2384. Look how it found support exactly on that red static trend line that we mentioned 2 days ago. The trend closes at 1.15, puts the 10-day at 0.99. That is not a signal for us. NASDAQ volume 4.7 billion. Good volume. But, it was good early too, but it wasn't leading to anything until later in the day. NASDAQ advanced decline ratio negative 761 on the New York negative 739. So more stocks down than up after a good couple days in a row. Google loses 21.02. So a little dip there in Google. Apple down $1.36. That's a blip. Netflix up $1.16. Also a blip. Amazon down 30.20. Tesla up 45.03. Heading to new highs. Remember, Tesla's getting added to the S&P 500. Facebook down $3.03. Zoom back up 13.41 after having been down for several days in a row here. Goldman Sachs down 35 cents. And TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 46 cents. Up 46 cents. The Dow was down 344. All right, in terms of intraday action. ES. So there it is. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's Monday, so you can see the gap up Monday. But then Tuesday kind of in the same range. Wednesday really flat in the same range until after lunch. Started to dip, tested the lows from Tuesday, and then it's really just in that last 30 minutes plus the 15 after the close that we sold off sharply. So is what it is there. Like I said, nothing much to look at on the Forex side, so we won't. In terms of data left here in the U.S. for the rest of the week, 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index and the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims numbers. 10 a.m. CB Leading Index and existing home sales. 10:30 natty gas. And Friday, no data at all. And again, remember, it's options expiration. So that's all we got. We'll see what it turns into. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Thursday and Friday. Have a good weekend, and we'll talk about next week's short week over the weekend.